Part 1. Protecting your floors and walls. 1. Place a drop sheet under the wall you're cleaning. Get a plastic painter's drop sheet at your local home or hardware store. Arrange it so that it covers the floor under any wall you plan to sugar soap. Using a drop sheet can ensure that the sugar soap and any water won't ruin your floor. 2. Move or cover furniture. Move any furniture near the wall to a place where no water soap can splash it. If you can't move it, place a plastic drop sheet over the furniture to protect it from any splashes or spills. 3. Tape over electrical outlets. Using masking tape or blue painter's tape, cover over any electrical outlets or sockets on the wall you're cleaning. Be sure to cover over any electrical outlets on the baseboards that may also get splashed. This can minimize the risk that any splashed or running water doesn't damage your outlets. 4. Dust the wall. Using a duster or small broom, wipe off your wall. Removing dust from the wall can make it easier to sugar soap your walls. It can also ensure that you don't have any lingering dirty bits that won't go away. 5. Remove marks with a baking soda paste. Mix together a paste of equal parts baking soda and water. Apply the paste to any marks or stains you see on the wall with a clean cloth or your finger. Then rub away the stain or mark with a clean cloth until you can't see it any longer. You can safely apply the baking soda paste to any paint color without it chipping or diluting the color. Part 2. Cleaning with the sugar soap. 1. Put on your protective gear. Before you start using the sugar soap, put on a pair of eye goggles, rubber gloves, and a protective face mask. Wearing protective gear can ensure you don't get any sugar soap in your eyes or on your skin. 2. Dilute the sugar soap. Fill a clean spray bottle with warm water. Then, add the amount of sugar soap indicated on the packaging instructions. Stir until the sugar soap is dissolved. Add more sugar soap to the warm water to deep clean your walls. 3. Spray the sugar soap mixture onto your wall. Starting at the top of your wall, mist a small section with the sugar soap mixture. Let the sugar soap sit for 30 to 60 seconds. Then, wipe it off with a clean cloth or sponge. Leave the sugar soap on longer for areas that appear dirtier. 4. Work your way down the rest of the wall. Continue to spray small sections of your wall with sugar soap until you reach the bottom. Concentrate the spray on the middle of your wall, as this is often the dirtiest part. Sponge or wipe away the dirty sugar soap as you finish each section. 5. Rinse the walls with a damp sponge. Fill a pail or container with clean, warm water. Dip a sponge into the bucket and wring out any excess water. Staring at the top of the wall, wipe off small sections of the water to rinse off any lingering sugar soap or dirt. Continue to rinse small sections of the wall until you reach the bottom. Rinse off the sponge in the bucket in between sections so you're not spreading any dirt or grime. 6. Dry the walls. Grab a clean and dry towel. Gently wipe or dab your cleaned wall with the cloth. See if there are any dirty spots on the cloth and clean those places on the wall again with the sugar soap.